I'm going to show you a trick I learned from Stuart at Proper DIY. So I started out by clamping a piece of stock, straight stock, against the hard straight edge. Okay, and then I cut to get the kerf width, the width of my blade to the edge of the base, and I created this, which I labeled the ride 5-inch long. Now that's my spacer. I put the spacer down hard against this edge, and I take my piece I want to copy to, put it right against that edge too, and I take my original, this is the copy, this is original, I put it on top, tight against this piece again, and I'm going to ride this on the edge here with the table saw, with the circular saw, and we'll see what we get. Okay, so again, this is the copy. So now I take and look, the copy and the original are the exact same length, and I can do that over and over and over again, and I'll end up with all the drawers, fronts and sides, all the same size exactly, without measuring, as long as you already have your original size set up. It's a really good method, and I'll put a link in the video from Stuart at Proper DIY, and he can explain it better. He always does better videos, but take a look, and always duplicate parts that way. I'll show you the end result in just a second. So here I finished cutting 4 pieces, just to show you they're perfectly the same height. Perfect. Can't get better than that. Perfect.